Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. I got the twerps with me. Got Danny and Oliver, and I got an unboxing. This came today. I ordered something special to help me here to make food. So I've got my everyday carry here. I'm going to open up the box. And this side here. Well, we're going to find out. Okay, so this game in here says sauerkraut. So what I got in here, let's see, got a little, not sure what to call it there, it's a smasher or whatever. Or, if I can get the balance here right. Okay, let's see what we got down here. Try to open this up here, right? Got it coming apart on me. Alright, box empty. Now I just got this here. Yes, I know, it's got a bad end on it. There, that's it, flat. Okay, now let's see if I can open this up here and get it to come apart. There we go. So what I got here is, right up here, I got a little half-gallon crock.
What's that?
And I like it. After you open everything up, hidden inside the crock, the thing says important. Fragile contents, open box carefully over a table. Gee, a little late to give me that information. All right, so we got a little crock here. And it has a lid for it, a special lid, and it's got the weights to go inside, so I can put these, let's see if I can get it up here. So if I fill it full of the cabbage, I can put this inside and set it down on top of the cabbage to make sauerkraut. So I got these to make sauerkraut here, a little half-gallon batch on it, and it's got a nice little groove trough, that's better, trough here, to fill with water to put in here so it keeps bacteria out and allows gas to come out from it, fermenting, and it'll ferment the stuff there. As you can see, they're turning around being funny bunnies.
Oh, funny bunnies.
Alright, so this is in, so once I have it filled, this is to go down inside and smash the cabbage down in place, and you have it tight before you put the weights on it. All right, so look forward to in the next week here. I'm going to be starting to do some sauerkraut. So I doubt these guys will be around here for it, but that's what we're going to be doing here. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys later.
Here it goes.